Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to fix Face ID if not working. So guys, without wasting time, let's start the video. First open the settings on iPhone. Tap on General. Scroll down and hit Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset and reset all settings. Solution number 2. Back to home screen and open settings again. Scroll down and tap Face ID and password. Now if not working, then go back home screen. Solution number 3. Power off your iPhone for 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, your iPhone's Face ID working very well. That's it. Hope this video helpful. Please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.